When arming the Videofied system, you can see here that it's disarmed. The red LED at the bottom right isn't blinking, and if we go ahead and hit OK, you'll see that the system is disarmed right here. So we're going to go ahead and arm it. So using your code, you'll be given a 2-minute delay on leaving the building. So once you hit that, you're going to want to go ahead and lock up the door, do whatever you got to do, but you got to get out of here within those 2 minutes. And once those 2 minutes are up, I'll show you what it looks like when you disarm it.